Chapter 6. Our Leaders. Leader is a person who leads or commands a group or organization or country with a proper plan. Today, we enjoy freedom of all kinds. The freedom to speak, to move, to practice any religion, to express, etc. This has become possible just because of the great leaders we had in our country, who fought for the country bravely. Their sacrifices have given us free India. They faced a lot of torture, bloodshed, battles, etc. All their struggles led to the freedom of our country on August 15, 1947. Let us read about a few of our leaders. More to know. M.K. Gandhi went to South Africa to work as a legal advisor. Mahatma Gandhi, whose actual name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and is popularly known as the father of the nation. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2, 1869. He was motivated to work towards the freedom struggle when he faced racial discrimination and ill treatment due to inferior race. Mahatma Gandhi followed the path of Satya and Ahimsa. Satya meaning truth and Ahimsa meaning non-violence were the two weapons of Gandhiji. He started the non-cooperation movement and forced the British to leave India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. He became the first Prime Minister of Free India. He worked a lot to make India follow the path of development. He worked not only for the progress of the country, but also for the betterment of the social status of the countrymen. He was extremely fond of children and was fondly called Chacha Nehru. His birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day every year. It was under his leadership that economic development began in India. More to know. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru received his early education at home under private tutors. At the age of 15, he went to England. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was popularly known as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose was a revolutionary freedom fighter and a popular leader of Indian National Congress in the year 1937 and 1939. He founded the Indian National Army and raised the slogan Delhi Chalo and Tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga. Bose was imprisoned between 1920 and 1941 for his anti-British remarks. It is believed that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane crash over Taiwan while flying to Tokyo in 1945. More to know. Subhash Chandra Bose went to England and cleared Indian Civil Services examination in 1920. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875. He was a political and social leader of India who played a major role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration into a united, independent nation. He is known as the Iron Man of India. He was often addressed as Sardar, which means chief in many languages of India. In 1947, he became the Deputy Prime Minister of Independent India and played an important role in the unification of India by integrating several princely states. He died on 15 December 1950. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. His father, Sri Gangadhar Tilak, was a scholar in Sanskrit and grammar. He worked in close contact with the masses. He started akharas, lathi clubs, and anti-cow killing societies. Tilak was against Western education because he felt that it did not respect Indian heritage and culture. To serve the cause of freedom and countrymen, Tilak founded schools and published newspapers, the Maratha and the Kesari. He was later known as Lokmanya Tilak and gave the slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." He founded All India Home Rule League at Pune in 1916. He died in 1920. More to know, he was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was born on 19th November 1828 at Kashi, Varanasi. She was named Manikarnika. She got married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the Maharaja of Jhansi in 1842. She became the Rani of Jhansi and was given the name Lakshmi Bai. After the death of the Raja of Jhansi, she took over the reins of the kingdom at the age of 25 years, since her son was not allowed to rule because he was not the legal heir to the throne. When the British attacked Jhansi in March 1858, Lakshmi Bai fought for her rights bravely, but died on 18th June 1858 at the age of 29 years. More to know, Rani Lakshmi Bai was educated at home and her studies included shooting, horsemanship and fencing. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, a symbol of heroism, was born in a Sikh family in Punjab on September 27, 1907. His only goal in life was the destruction of British Empire. By sacrificing his life just at the age of 23, Bhagat Singh became an inspiration and symbol of heroism. Bhagat Singh was one of the most well-known Indian freedom fighters. He was hanged on 23rd March 1931 in Lahore jail by the Britishers along with fellow revolutionaries Sukhdev and Jai Rajguru. Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was born on 2nd October 1904. He was the third Prime Minister of independent India, political leader, and played a significant role in the Indian independence movement. More to know. Lal Bahadur Shastri led the country during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. He introduced the slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Chandrasekhar Azad. He was born on 23rd July 1906 in a village of Madhya Pradesh. He was a great Indian freedom fighter. His fierce patriotism and courage inspired others of his generation to enter the struggle for freedom. More to know. He is considered as the mentor of Bhagat Singh. Now I know. Leader is a person who leads or commands a group or organization or country with a proper plan. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India. Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress in the year 1937 and 1939. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Rani Lakshmi Bai became the Maharani of Jhansi in 1842.